In this video, I'm going to be doing a general overview of the Windone E2 e-bike, which is Windone's Class 3 fat tire electric bike designed for off-road excursions at a decent price. I'm going to be going over the unboxing and assembly process and go in depth on the features, specs, and build. I will be doing a separate video reviewing how the E2 rides, but this video is just an overview of the bike itself. So let's check out the Windone E2 fat tire electric bike. The E2 comes in a standard bicycle shipping box, but it's extremely heavy, so please make sure to be careful when moving, and I highly recommend having someone help you move it. After opening, the bike's assembled about 90%. All you have to do is remove all the packing foam and zip ties, install the handlebars, front wheel, front fender, headlight, and bolt in the rear shock and the pedals, including the box with the necessary tools and instruction manual. The whole process took me about 20 to 25 minutes, with most of my time being spent cutting off the zip ties and putting on the front wheel. The bike isn't mechanically challenging to put together, but the weight does make it a little more challenging. And I went through the bike, all the bolts were tight, the shifting was perfect, and there was no adjustments needed. The E2 has an aluminum frame with a matte black paint job and frame tubing that has a cool retro moto style design. It also has a removable battery that's attached to the inside of the front triangle. The welds on the frame are surprisingly nice, and I've gone through the frame and the welds are consistent throughout. Another part I think Windone did a really good job on was cable management. There's a lot of cables on the front of this bike, 8 to be exact, and they use these cable management coils, and they bundle the cables together so there's no stray cables. And overall I think they did a really good job keeping the cables tidy. Windone says that the E2 is made for people from 5'5" to 6'8", and for reference on how this bike fits, I'm 5'10". There's not a lot of information regarding the frame measurements of this bike, so I measured some of the major points, and here they are. The seat height is 34.2 inches. The reach is about 17 inches. The overall length is about 69 inches. The wheelbase is about 46 inches. The chain stays are about 20.5 inches. The ground clearance to the chainring is about 11 inches. It weighs in at 95 pounds and has a load capacity of 330 pounds. And at the time of recording, it costs $899. And something that's pretty cool is if you order this bike from their website, there's free shipping and no sales tax, which is pretty amazing and saves you a lot on additional costs. The E2 comes with a 500-watt brushless rear hub motor that, from what I could find through my research, provides around 85 Nm of torque. The bike also comes with a 48-volt, 13 amp-hour lithium-ion battery that's IPX rated and has an estimated range of 46.6 miles of pedal assist and 28 miles of pure electric throttle range. The display is an LCD screen and displays the battery level, speed, assist level, and has an odometer. The E2 also comes with a moto-style front headlight and an LED rear tail light that also serves as a brake light. The fork is a dual crown with 32mm stanchions, a 44mm offset, and 100mm of travel. It also comes with an adjustable rear coil shock. The E2 comes with riser handlebars that measure 710mm and a stem that measures 85mm. The bike comes with 20-inch wheels that are made of aluminum and have a really cool 10-spoke design. It has knobby fat tires with a 4-inch width and also comes with Schrader tubes. It has a Shimano Tourney 7-speed drivetrain with a 28-tooth cassette. It also comes with the 42-tooth chainring. The brakes are RSX hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors both in the front and in the rear. It also comes with a moto-style saddle with a length of 23 inches and a minimum width of 4 inches near the front, and it gets wider near the rear with a width of 6.5 inches. It also comes with a protection guard that measures 12 inches long by 4.5 inches wide, and it keeps debris off the battery and it hides the wires. So there's the full rundown of what to expect from the Windone E2 off-road adventure e-bike. I will be making a video in the future where I do some extensive testing on this bike to assess its riding characteristics both on and off-road, and also a hill climb test, a braking test, and acceleration test. But if you have any questions about this bike, or you own an E2 yourself, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great one.